Good morning, Richard. My assistant just called me and told me that you decided to let Heidi take the case. Yes, that's not gonna fly by me. Exactly. I bring in millions of dollars to this company. She's only brought in a couple $1,000s. I expect the file to be at my office Monday morning, on my desk. That file is mine. There's no excuses. You're not listening to me, Richard. Richard, you're not listening to me. I need that file on my desk by Monday morning. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, can I sit here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thanks. There's just nowhere to sit anywhere else. Is that an Americano?
Yeah, it actually is.
Nice, that's what I got too.
Oh.
Is it any good?
Your name?
I'm Jacob.
Hi, Jacob. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Your Americano, sir?
Oh, yes, thank you. Really quick question.
Sure.
Do you know where these beans are from?
I believe these beans are from Guatemala.
Guatemala? Okay, cool. Do you know, are they fair trade?
I believe so, yeah, they are.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool, yeah. I'm sure it's just coffee anyways, but
Yeah.
I just like to know just for my peace of mind.
No, well, hopefully you enjoy it.
Thanks. Yeah, I'm trying to find a new place in the area to
Okay.
come sit. I'm pretty new.
All right, man.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
He's getting a scrub down before it returns to Port Canaveral, Florida. Tomorrow, about 500 people got the norovirus. Up next here, the star behind Hamilton goes back and gives back.
When you can't watch the evening news on TV, don't worry, we've got you covered.
Hello?
Subscribe to our podcast.
Mary?
Sponsored by
All right, we're almost there.
Where are we going?
Just right up here.
I better not fall.
Don't worry, all right. Stay right there. And open your eyes.
Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Jacob, I can't believe you did this for me.
Happy anniversary. So how's work?
Oh my gosh, I didn't even get to tell you. So 6 months ago, I got that case.
Yeah?
Oh, when we met, remember? Well, anyway, long story short, I won the firm about $10,000.
No way.
I did it all by myself.
I'm proud of you, Mary. That's really good.
I know. So anyway,
yeah.
how's your studio going?
Oh yeah, we're doing great. We hit a bit of a snag with the with some casting issues, but I'm sure we'll find just the perfect person for the role we're doing.
You'll be fine.
Yeah.
Why don't you just stay home?
I can't have to go to work.
Why?
Because we have this. We're actually So remember I told you we were doing casting last week. Well, we found this really great actress to play this new part.
But wasn't last night amazing? Why don't you just stay?
Last night was really amazing. It was really good last night, baby. But I have to go to work now.
No, I want you to stay.
Look, I think I might be able to get off work early today, and
You know
and
what?
we can
Just
go to dinner.
Go.
And
Just go.
look, it's not that you're not important to me.
Just
It's
stop
that
talking.
This
Just
is
stop
this is
talking.
really
Just stop talking.
So, I heard that you started a new project.
Yeah, we just finished casting. So
What's it about?
So I don't know how much I'm allowed to say.
Yeah.
I mean, he won't even tell me.
Well,
Yeah, so they just casted this new actress. I think her name is Olivia.
Olivia Martin, yeah.
Yes!
Oh,
Oh,
know
you
her.
know her
She's in a
too?
commercial.
Olivia Martin, yeah.
Commercial, right?
She's absolutely
Did we
amazing.
meet her in
Oh.
person as well?
Beautiful.
I bet.
Beautiful.
Yeah, well, I mean, he works with her all day, you know,
I would
never,
Yeah,
he's never
right.
home,
Yeah. Well,
you
I
know.
have to pay the bills, but
Yeah, I mean, well, why don't you tell us? I don't even know about it. Come on.
You know, if I told you, I have to kill you. Eh?
No, exactly. Super funny. Yeah, I love. Oh, she's such a good actress. Oh, what a good choice.
Phenomenal.
What a good
didn't she win
choice.
a Tony or something?
She won, yeah.
Hey, baby, I'm so
Why
sorry.
didn't you answer the phone?
It's asleep.
No, you
I was
weren't.
asleep.
No, you weren't. I don't understand. I don't understand.
No.
This is all your
No,
fault.
don't do it. Ah!
Open the door. Jacob, please, just open the door. I'm sorry. You made me get really upset. Okay, I didn't want to do this. Please, just open this door and we can
Hello,
talk
welcome to the
about it.
Mr. Copline. Are you needed police assistance?
Jacob!
Yes, please send someone.
How long has
Open
this
the
been happening?
door.
A year.
Okay, ma'am. The police
Jacob!
will be there shortly.
Jacob!
Hello, ma'am.
Jacob! Open the
Ma'am?
door.
Hello, ma'am.
Jacob, open the door! Jacob, I said open the door!
I think it's challenging because men are not taken seriously with that. It's, well, why didn't you fight back? Why, how did you let her? I'm Dr. Gail Samples, and I'm the chairperson for Human Development and Psychology major at Life Pacific College.
Yes, I'm Dr. Eric Lopez. I'm the Assistant Professor of Biblical Studies and Historical Theology at Life Pacific College, soon to be University.
I think masculinity is probably not so much biological, although that's a component of it, but I think it's probably more an inward construct. I think people feel masculine, and I think that probably impacts both male and females. But I think it's more of a more of the way someone sees themselves, I think.
What does the Bible say about X, Y, Z? And of course, as somebody who is does biblical studies and does historical theology, there's challenges to that because the biblical world and the Bible don't always answer those questions in exactly the way we want them to. Partly because we're dealing with concepts that are ours, from our day and age, and the way we understand those concepts.
I think for males, society views it very positively. We expect men to look masculine, so outwardly their appearance, to be a certain size, to have, muscles that show, to be big, and so to look masculine, and then to act masculine, to be interested in masculine types of things like sports. I think sports is probably the biggest one. To be aggressive, like in their career or in their job pursuits. To be moving forward, to not be looking inward, not be introspective, but to have this kind of rugged exterior. I think it's all about what they project. To project an air of masculinity.
One of the ways that women have tried to tackle that is by saying, well, if that's what it takes, then I'm going to take on male characteristics in order to be a leader in the church. That's certainly one way. I don't know that that's required. I think another way of approaching it is something like, well, does the Bible really tell us that the only people that can be leaders in the church is males? And I don't know that it does. So the reason why I say that, I'm kind of trying to bring out that distinction is because it seems as if being male and female is part of who we are in our identity, but the roles that we attach to those can vary culturally. There are some things, obviously, that are really difficult to change. In fact, naturally, it's really almost impossible. For example, women can have children and men cannot. And so there is something to be said about some roles maybe being more inherently tied, like father and mother. But other roles have to do more with societal expectations. And as we've kind of seen in our own society, but a lot of societies have struggled over history, over what do those roles look like, and to what extent are those roles and expectations inherent to what it means to be a male and a female.